अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स। आप लोग कैसे हैं? आपको याद होगा कि हमने पिछली एपिसोड में पीरियोडिक टेबल के बारे में पढ़ा था और आज हम पढ़ेंगे द पीरियोडिसिटी ऑफ द पीरियोडिक टेबल। लेकिन उस पे जाने से पहले लेट अस रिवाइज आवर कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ एटॉमिक रेडियस। ग्रुप्स के अंदर अगर हम देखें पीरियोडिक टेबल में तो एटॉमिक नंबर इंक्रीज होता है, number of shells also increase, but the nucleus hold towards electrons decreases. The shielding effect increases and the distance between nucleus to valence shell increases. जबकि in periods में atomic number increases one by one, the shell remains the same, nucleus hold towards electrons increases, the shielding effect decreases, and the distance between nucleus to valence shell also decreases. आपको पता है कि when we do not do any work, we need specific energy. So in chemistry, there are many forms of energy which are in use, required and released during chemical reactions. क्या आपको पता है? The amount of energy that is required to move an electron from a gaseous atom or ion is called ionization energy. और जब हम एक टेबल को लेफ्ट से राइट की तरफ मूव करेंगे तो द आयोनाइजेशन एनर्जी इंक्रीजेस। ऐसा क्यों है? एज वी मूव अक्रॉस द पीरियोडिक टेबल फ्रॉम लेफ्ट टू राइट द आयोनाइजेशन एनर्जी इंक्रीजेस। और ये इसलिए है क्योंकि द लार्जर द इफेक्टिव न्यूक्लियर चार्ज, द स्ट्रॉन्गर द न्यूक्लियस इज होल्डिंग ऑन टू द इलेक्ट्रॉन एंड द मोर एनर्जी इट टेक्स टू रिलीज एन इलेक्ट्रॉन। स्टूडेंट्स, द एटॉमिक साइज decreases, effective charge increases, nucleus hold increases, and the distance between nucleus to valence shell decreases. That is why ionization energy increases. On the other hand, ionization energy decreases when we go down the group. And this is because the atomic number increases down a group, and thus there is an increased distance between the valence electrons and nucleus, or a greater atomic radius. The outermost electrons are further from the positive charged nucleus, so they are easier to remove. इसको अगर आप summarize करें तो the number of shells increase, the nucleus hold decreases, the shielding effect increases, and the distance between the nucleus to valence shell also increases. And that is why the ionization energy decreases. क्या आपको पता है? Which is the group of the periodic table which has the lowest ionization energy? The group 1, yes. Group 1 elements belong to the lowest ionization energy because they have a single valence electron far away from the nucleus. It should be easy to pry off. आपने कभी सोचा है why does it require a large amount of ionization energy to destroy a noble gas having octet rule obeyed? Noble gases have a very stable electron configuration. Therefore, they have the highest amount of ionization energy within their periods. It decreases down a family because electrons farther from the nucleus are easier to remove. क्या आपको पता है? We have another form of energy which is called electron affinity. It is defined as the amount of energy released when an electron is added to a neutral atom to form an anion. It can be either positive or negative. The greater the negative value, the more stable the anion is. अब सवाल ये पैदा होता है कि why does an electron affinity increase while we move across the table from left to right? इसकी वजह ये है कि when you see across the period, the atomic size or the number of shells also decreases and nuclear attraction increases. So therefore, the process of taking up an extra electron becomes more favored from left to right. And therefore, the amount of energy released during the process is high from left to right. So the electron affinity increases across a period from left to right. इसकी अगर आप summary देखें तो the atomic size decreases, the effective charge increases, the nucleus hold increases, the distance between nucleus to valence shell decreases. So, the electron affinity increases. The next to last group is especially electron hungry. These elements, the halogens, have a small diameter and one vacant spot in the p orbital. आप इमेजिन कर सकते हैं कि halogens combine with the electron shedding alkali metals of group 1. Table salt, which is NaCl, is a prime example of an alkali halogen compound. आपने कभी सोचा है कि why does the electron affinity decreases while we move down the table from top to bottom? असल में when we move from top to bottom, increase in size happens. So due to large size, valence electrons are not held by nucleus strongly. Outer electrons move freely with less nucleus hold. So the addition of new electrons in the outermost shell is not welcomed by the nucleus. And that is why the electron affinity decreases down the group. अगर हम इसको summarize करना चाहें तो हम कह सकते हैं कि the atomic size increases, the number of shells increase, the nucleus hold also increases, and the distance between the nucleus to valency shell also increase, and that is why electron affinity decreases down the group. आपको एक इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट बताऊं? आपको पता है इलेक्ट्रॉन एफिनिटी डिस्कवर किसने किया था? It was a concept that was discovered in 1901 in the view of the discovery of electron negativity by Linus Carl Pauling. और क्या आपको पता है कि नोबल गैसेस डू नॉट इजीली गेट एन इलेक्ट्रॉन, इसीलिए उनकी इलेक्ट्रॉन एफिनिटी बहुत क्लोज होती है जीरो से. क्यों? दिस इज बिकॉज all of the noble gases have complete valence electron shells. Since the noble gases already have that perfect status, then they have an affinity of 0. Affinity is the change in electron of the atom when an electron is added. Noble gases are at the perfect number of 8 electrons. और ये तो आप भी आपने पढ़ा है कि halogens have the highest electron affinity, as they all have 7 valence electrons and need just 1 electron to complete their octet in their outermost shell. कभी आपने सोचा है that the tendency of an atom in a molecule to attract the shared pair of electrons towards itself, what is it known as? It is known as electronegativity. The higher the electronegativity, the greater its ability to gain electrons in a bond. अभी आप electronegativity find कैसे कर सकते हैं? Students, as we move across a period from left to right, electronegativity increases because of nuclear charge. That also increases, and the atomic size decreases. On the other hand, as we move down the group in the modern periodic table, the nuclear charge also increases. But the effect of the increase in nuclear charge is overcome by the addition of one shell. Hence, the value of electronegativity decreases as we move down the group. Another interesting fact is that fluorine is the most electronegative element and cesium is the least electronegative element. चलें, अब हम अपना टेस्ट लेते हैं. Question number 1. Rank the following atoms in increasing atomic radius. हमारे पास सबसे पहले आता है फ्लोरीन, then we have carbon, then we have beryllium, and last में we have lithium. Question number 2. Arrange the following elements in order of decreasing ionization energy. हमारे पास सबसे पहले आता है सोडियम, then we have aluminium, then we have magnesium, and last में we have silicon. Question number 3. Arrange the following in increasing order of electronegativity. हमारे पास सबसे पहले आता है पोटेशियम, then we have sodium, then lithium, then calcium, then selenium, and last में we have bromine. Question number 4. Which is more electronegative, fluorine or chlorine? The correct answer is fluorine. Students, अगली एपिसोड तक अपना बहुत ख्याल रखिए. अल्लाह हाफिज.